Austin, Texas, guys. Yay. So now we're gonna go get our rental car. Not too sure how far we have to walk. We'll update you guys once we get the car. Woohoo! Which one did we get? Roll 15. Dude, we got the red one, bro. We got the red one. That's so sick. Look at our new minivan, Kaylee. This thing is clean. Look at this thing. Bro, look at that. Got the blacked out chrome, everything. This thing is sick. Man, this thing is nice, huh?
We're getting this in?
Damn. Oh, let's go put this in the back. So we just got to Austin. There's downtown. First place we gotta go to is get some barbecue. Ready for dinner? It's good. We're about to have a good dinner tonight.
There you go. Oh, it's dying.
Oh, it falls apart. It's so tender. I'm excited to try this.
Oh yeah. The one in the back, it's lean, but it doesn't cook.
So this is where they cook all the food that we just ate. Cool, yeah? Terry Blacks. Alright guys, so we're gonna check out Alvin's house. This is who we came to Texas with. This is a newly finished build. Wow, you still got the bowl and everything, bro?
Whoa, this is so nice.
Wow.
This is so big.
It is, yeah.
Whoa, this is cool.
Hit those switches. Let's see. Hit the switch.
This is the master bedroom?
Damn. Whoa.
Oh, it goes into a different bedroom?
Look at this closet. That's Lindsay's closet right there. Damn.
Oh, I thought this was a bedroom.
This is a guest bedroom right here. Or this is that extra, right?
This is what if me and Lindsay decide to adopt a baby, this is gonna be the new baby room.
Damn. Oh, that's perfect because it's connected to the master.
No, I designed this room to have this.
Connected to the master. And what is this? Is a guest room right here. Damn.
And we have a mini walk-in closet.
Oh, this is a walk-in closet too.
Oh, that's so cool.
You have another walk-in closet over there?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yeah, like,
Yeah, they all have walk-in closets. This is a laundry room. Oh, this doesn't connect to the garage? I thought this could connect to the garage.
No. This is separate.
Oh, that's sick. This is another bathroom.
Yeah.
So you have 3 bathrooms in this house?
Yeah.
What the heck? This is the mud room, right? This is where you take your shoes off and stuff before you go. And then this is the extra studio that you can turn into a bedroom, right?
Yeah, this is what a study room.
Study. Does it have a light switch? Oh yeah. Dude, you did a good job, man. I'm proud of you. Congratulations, dude. Here we are, guys. Boosies. Look at how big this gas station is. Huge gas station.
This looks like the gas station that we saw in Las Vegas.
Oh yeah, this is bigger though, I think.
I think so. It's huge.
It looks bigger, huh? Look at this, man. This is a huge gas station. This place is huge, man. Look at all this. Yeah, it's cool. So over here,
Oh, really?
I guess that's the Colorado River. Can't tell. It's the old bridge. We're gonna eat somewhere over here.
Guys, so we're gonna get to the pizza spot.
It's right in here somewhere. That's what mommy used to wash clothes on.
Why did I need to watch clothes on that?
Yeah, mommy used to use this to wash clothes. So we're stopped at the Walmart. We got this super clean FB Arc 7 over here. Dude, it has a sunroof. This thing is clean. Manual. This thing is super clean. Wow. Whataburger. Did you get onion rings and stuff?
Yep. Onion rings.
Wow. So let's try out this Whataburger. First time, our last day. It's pretty good. It's not bad. I like it. So I got the sweet and spicy bacon burger. I think that's why it's good, because I didn't order a regular burger. So we're gonna go finish up this food and then we'll head to the port on our way back to California. Okay guys, so we just dropped off the rental car. Katie's finishing up her Whataburger drink. We're heading back to California now. Texas is cool, man. I like Texas. I like Texas a lot. The reason for the trip was just to see how we like it. Thinking about relocating, possibly, maybe. Still not sure yet. We might have to come back a couple more times till we make a decision. But yeah, that was just what we were doing here in Texas. Just to clear up some of the video. I know it's something that we don't normally post, but we just wanted to take you guys along for the ride. So like I said, we're here at the terminal. We're gonna go to our gate and we'll catch you guys back in California.